Okay mga kaibigan, at i-start na tayo agad at hindi na tayo mag-i-intro pa. Ang video na ito ay tungkol naman sa C++ na i-convert natin sa flowchart. At yan, ay dito natin makikita yung algorithm. Makikita natin dito yung algorithm ng program kung paano mabubuo yung pyramid. Pyramid naman tayo mga kaibigan. Kung yung video natin nakaraan ay triangle. So, subukan natin ang pyramid. At mamaya ay titingnan natin sa flowchart kung paano na po yung pyramid. Alright, kung bale, ito yung program natin. Yes, matagal ko nang nagawa ito. Siguro, mga taon na rin ito. Kasi nakikita ko may mga nagsasuggest sa akin kung paano nga ba i-convert sa flowchart. So, yung nauna kong video ay triangle. Ngayon naman ay pyramid. So, ang code na ito ay pyramid. Just like that. Pyramid. Okay? So, puntahan natin yung flowchart. So, close natin ito. So, ito yung flowchart natin. Ito yung code na yun kanina. Nilagay ko lang yan para makita natin. So, bakit mayroon akong table dito? Ako kasi pag gumagawa ako ng flowchart na galing sa C++, kasi kahit sa C++, kahit sa program, gumagawa ako ng table na ganito para makita ko yung plus minus ng mga numbers. Kung ilan ba dapat yung dadagdag, kung ilan ba yung ibabawas, ganun. Tulad niyan, yan. Kung wala ka nitong table, mahirapan kang mag-isip niyan. So, makikita niyan mamaya. Alright, so, ito yung flowchart. Alam naman natin ng mga symbols na yan ay tayo ay gagamit lamang ng 5 symbols. Ito yung pinaka-basic para sa C++. Hindi na tayo kailangan gumamit ng mga mas malalim pang symbols. So, C++ lang tayo. So, 5 symbols is enough. Alright. Okay. So, ito yung nakaraan. Ano tayo sa sunod? So, alam naman natin na symbol na ito ay stop. So, processing. Itong square na to o rectangle ay processing. At ang processing ay a box represent arithmetic instruction. Yung mga instruction, variable declaration, process such as adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division. So, yun siya. So, nag-declare tayo ng mga variables. So, specify natin dito yung value ng ating variables. So, mag-umpisa tayo sa 1. Ito nga pala, pinapakilala ko yung table. So, ito yung A, yung row. Yung A na yan, row. Yung B naman, ito yung gagamitin kong space. So, is equal to 4 na lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nakikita nyo man doon. Print blank. Yun, print blank. Malalaman nyo yun mamaya. Ito yung C naman ay yung, so ito yung triangle natin, yung C. So, okay. Alright. So, bigyan natin ng 1CA. Ngayon, ang diamond na ito ay decision. So, A is less than or equal to 5. So, bakit 5? Yes, gusto kong 5 lang ang ibibigay kong maximum na maaabot ni A. Kasi nga 5 rows tayo. So, 5 yung napili kong bibigay kay A na pinaka-maximum na number niya. So, pwede rin ninyong gawing 10 yan. So, 10 rows yan. So, magdadagdag din kayo sa ibang numbers. Itong B na ito, yung equivalent ng B. So, magdadagdag ka rin ng ibang numbers. So, kung pinalitan mo yung numbers na yan ng mas mataas, dapat mas mataas din na ibigay mo kay para magpapantay yung triangle natin. Alright, so 5 ang napili ko, so 5 rows. A is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Yes. Of course, yes. So, if yes, pupunta siya sa another process. Otherwise, mag-i-stop na siya. Mag-i-stop na yung program natin pag nag-no. Alright? So, makikita nyo naman yung lines na yan. Yung arrow na yan kung saan siya papunta. So, kung yes, dito sa baba, another process. Bibigyan na naman natin si B ng 4. So, yung 4 na ito sa bibigay kong blank o blanco. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit may blank dyan. Okay? So, B is equal to 4. Yung variable natin na B ay equal to 4. So, B is greater than or equal sa A. Yes. Mas malaki yung B kaysa sa 1 na A. So, B is greater than or equal to A, which is 1. Yes. So, print lang. If the condition is positive or yes, it will see out the blank like this. So, for loop natin, pag nag-positive yung condition, see out siya ng space. So, print blank. Sabi niya dito. So, ipiprint natin yung blank. So, blank. Print blank. Dito. Okay? Nasa A1 tayo. A1. So, sa A1 tayo. So, print blank. B minus minus. Nagbawas si B ng isa. So, B now is equal to 3. Alright. B is greater than or equal to A. Again, yes. Kasi mas malaki pa rin si B kaysa sa 1 na A. So, print blank. Positive again. So, print blank. So, another blank. And again, process B minus minus. Now, B is equal to 2. Again, decision. B is greater than or equal to A. Yes. Again, yes. Still, B is greater than 1. So, print blank. Right? Print blank. And then, B minus minus. Go back there. B is equal to 1. Now, B is greater than or equal to A. Now, A and B is equal. So, still positive. So, print blank. Okay? And B minus minus. Now, B is equal to nothing or 0. Is it B is greater than or equal to A? Negative, sabi niya. So, pag negative, nakita niyo man yung arrow, pupunta siya sa another process. So, bigyan naman natin si C ng 1. Alam niyo naman na C ay ito. Makikita niyo mamaya. So, C is equal to 1. So, ito na yung decision natin para kay C. So, bakit may 1 at ano dyan? Kasi yan ay, nilagyan ko ng 1 dyan kasi yung para hindi tayo malito kung ano yung value ng A na yung 1. So, alright. So, C. Tingnan nyo maigi yung operation natin. C is less than daw or equal sa 2 times A. Ano ba yung value ng A? Ay 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2, right? Less 1 is equal to 1. So, ngayon, C daw ay less than or equal to 1. Okay? Itong buong parenthesis na to, ito yung sagot niya. 1. So, C daw, si C is less than or equal to 1. Yes, because C is also equal to 1. So, they are equal. So, meaning, yes. So, print asterisk. Okay. So, asterisk, print asterisk, and C++. Now, C is equal to 2. Alright. So, again, magtatanong tayo sa decision. C is less than or equal to 1. Kasi 1 kanina yung total nito, yun nandun sa taas, kaya nilagay pa yan para hindi tayo malito. Pero pagka gumawa kayo ng flowchart, huwag nyo lalagay itong dalawa na ito. Okay? So, C now is equal to 2, but the 2 times A less than 1 is equal to 1 pa rin. So, negative. Mag-end line tayo. End line and A++. A++. So, makita yung arrow. Pupunta sa taas, mag-A++, magiging 2 yan. Meaning tong end line, pupunta tayo sa next line. Ito naman. Okay? So, A++. Naging 2 na yung A. And A is less than or equal to 5. Yes pa rin. Mas mababa pa rin yung A kaysa sa 5. So, yes, pupunta sa B. Since nag-end line tayo, ito ay magiging 4 ulit. Babalik sa original value ni B. So, B is greater than or equal to A. Ang B ba ay mas malaki or parehas sa A? Yes, mas malaki yung B. Kasi B is equal to 4, A is equal to 2. So, yes, print blank. I-print tayo ng blank dyan. And B minus minus. Alam nyo naman yung arrow. Makikita nyo dyan. Huwag kayong papalito sa arrow. So, 3. B is greater than or equal to A. Yes, still A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. So, B is greater than the A. So, print blank. Print blank. B minus minus. Making 2. B is greater than or equal to A. Yes, they are equal. B is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. So, still positive. So, print blank. Right? So, B minus minus. B is less 1. Become 1. So, B is greater or equal to A. Negative. Now, is A is greater than the B. So, negative. C is equal to 1. Also, C is equal to 1. Alright. C is less than or equal to 2 times A. Ano na ba yung A ngayon? Ay 2 na. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Less 1. So, palitan natin tong value ng A. So, ito na ay 2. So, 2 times A na 2 is 4. Less 1 is 3. So, palitan natin yung value ng total niya. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Kasi yung A is equal to 2 na. So, 2 times 2, 4. Less 1 is 3. Alright. So, balikan natin. C is less than or equal to 3. Yes. Kasi mas maliit yung C kaysa sa equivalent ng parenthesis na ito. So, yes. So, meaning, mag-print tayo ng asterisk and then C++. C now is equal to 2. C is less than or equal to 3. Ito na lang basahin natin. Hindi natin ulit-ulitin. Kasi nalagay na natin dyan. So, yes. Mas malaki pa rin yung parenthesis kaysa sa C. So, print asterisk. And then, C++. Become 3. C is equal to 3 now. C is less than or equal to 3. Yes, they are equal. So, print asterisk. And then C++ become 4. C is less than or equal to 3, negative. So, end line, meaning this one, another line, and A++. Right? 3. So, A is equal to 3. Now, A is less than or equal to 5. Yes. So B is returned to its original value, so that is 4. So B is greater than or equal to A. Yes, so print blank. So B minus minus become 3. B is greater than or equal to A. Yes, they are equal, so print blank. B minus minus, B is equal to 2. B is greater than or equal to A, negative. And if negative, we go to the other process. C is equal to 1 again. So, C is equal to 1. Again, unahin natin i-compute yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, A now is equal to 3. Pilitan natin ng 3 yan. Alright. So, 2 times A, not 3. 2 times 3, 6. Less 1 is 5. Now, this 3 is become 5. So, ito yung value ng buong ito yung value ng nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, okay, mag-start na tayo. Magtanong, C is less than ba or equal sa 5? Yes, mas malaki yung 5. So, if yes, print asterisk. And then, C++ become 2. C is less than or equal to 5? Yes, print asterisk. Print asterisk, then C++ become 3. C is less than or equal to 5. Yes, print asterisk. C++ become 4. C is less than or equal to 5. Yes, print asterisk. C++, C become 5. C is less than or equal to 5. Yes, they are equal. So, print asterisk. C++, C become 5. Now 6. C is less than or equal to 5, negative. So, if negative, end line. Alala nyo na yung end line, pupunta siya sa next line. Alright? So, A++, pupunta siya sa mag-plus 1 daw yung A. So, A is equal to 4. A is less than or equal to 5. Yes, correct. So, B is equal to 4. Reset to 4. It's only 4 ang original value niya. So, nagre-reset. So, B is greater than or equal to A. Yes. Parehas sila. So, print blank. If yes, print blank. Okay? So, B minus minus. B is equal to 3. B is greater than or equal to A. Now, negative. Because B is equal to 3, A is equal to 4. Negative, so another process, C is equal to reset to original value. So again, palitan natin yung value ng A kasi 4 na siya. So ito yung value niya. Gawin natin 4. So, 2 times 4 na A is 8. Less 1 is 7. So, yung answer niya ay 7 na. 7 na yung kabuuan ng buong nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? So, C is less than or equal to 7. Yes. So, print asterisk. C++. C is equal to 2. C is less than or equal to 7. Yes. C is 2. 7 is greater than 2. So, print asterisk. C++. C become 3. C is less than or equal to 7. Yes, print asterisk. C++ become 4. C na 4 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, print asterisk again. So C++ become 5. 5 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, print asterisk. C++ become 6. 6 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, print asterisk. So C++ become 7. C7, C or 7 is less than or equal to 7. Yes, they are equal. So print asterisk. And then C++ become 8. C is less than or equal to 8. 7. No, negative, because C is equal to 8. It's greater than 7. So end line. Again, end line. So ito, meaning this one. End line. A++ become 5. So A is less than or equal to 5. Yes, they are equal. So if yes, going to reset the value to 4. B is equal to 4. B is greater than or equal to A. Now 5, now negative. So another process. C is equal to 1. Reset to 1 again. And value of A is 5. So change to 5. So 2 times 5, 10, less 1 is 8. Oh, 9. Oh my god. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus, less 1 is 9. Right? So C natin ay 1. C is less than or equal to 9. Yes. Print asterisk. C++ become 2. C1 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, print asterisk. Become 3. C3 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, print asterisk. C++ become 4. C4 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, print asterisk. C++ become 5. C5 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, print asterisk. C++, C5 is become 6. So C6 is less than or equal to 9. Yes. Print asterisk. C++ become 7. C7 is less than or equal to 9. Yes. Print asterisk. C++ become 8. 8 is less than or equal to 9. Yes. Print asterisk. C++ become 9. C9 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, they are equal. So print asterisk. C++, C become 10. C is less than or equal to 9, negative, because now C is equal to 10. End line. So A++ become A is equal to 6. So A is less than or equal to 5, negative, negative, going back here, and then stop. Program will stop. At nakita nyo naman, nabuo na natin yung triangle o pyramid. So, ganun lamang yung algorithm ng flowchart kung paano mabuo ang isang pyramid. Ganun din naman sa C++. At yan ang ating napaglaruan sa araw na ito. Napaglaruan, sabi ko kasi siyempre idea ko lang to. Kung meron kayong mas magandang idea o may mas kulang sa mga symbols na ginamit ko ay pwede nyo lang i-comment sa baba at makita natin. Alright, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Please subscribe and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.